Hello folks, time for some more Pearl Jam, courtesy of a request from Janne Tunturi over at Patreon. If you don't know what that is, check out the link below. We're going to go through both parts. It's in standard tuning. I think we've got basically, I think Stone usually plays this on a Strat. Mike has P90s, I think, but I'm just going with humbuckers. So I don't think it really matters too much what guitar you use. I'm using the Funny Little Boxes 91, as you can see, and fetching new gold sparkle colour. And if you want to do Mike's tone exact, then you're going to need a little bit of delay. But pretty straightforward stuff. So the first part goes like this. 1, 2, 3. So that's Stone's part. Basically, we have an A, C, F with C in the bass. And that rings out for 2 bars. In between, then we have these percussive whacks. Okay, 2 8th notes on the 4th beat, and then 1, 2, 3. So up, down, whack. Notice I'm taking all my fingers off that chord for that last whack. Mike, meanwhile, is playing this. 2, 3, 4. So we have 14th fret on the G. You could do a little hammer on, but I think he does a slide here. Two, 3. And note the phrasing's slightly different. He goes to the 14th fret on the first beat of the second bar. 2, 3. Then he goes to the 12th fret on the D on the forehand and the second bar, okay? And then we're into the verse part. Stone has quite a subtle part behind Mike's bit. It goes like this. 2, 3, 4, 1. I think he's just playing that. So it's double stops. 15th fret. 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. Okay, so just 5th fret to 3rd fret. Pretty straightforward. Mike's bit's a little bit more interesting in this part. We have 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. That's it. You repeat that around twice. So again, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Mike continues to play that. Stone changes to this. Which you will remember from the intro. You already know it. Second time. And then you're into that part, right? So he just plays 1. A little fill there. Into the A, right? Then we're going to do A to C to F to D, like this. Twice round. And again, sometimes you can put in this a little gallop there, right? Chuck it in all the way through if you want. After the second time, you go up here. Stone, I think, is just playing D minor, so Mike's part's the more interesting of the two. So we have this. And then back into the intro riff again, right? So we're on the 10th fret here, D. And then you've got this. That hangs over. A little rest there. like that. So you're going D, A sharp or B flat, G, back to C. And that's it. One more time slowly. 3, 4. And then you got 1, 2, 3. Same as before with the back around that whole thing. Kind of a bridge, twice around that. Then we go into this part 3 times. Okay, so it's... That whole thing plays around 3 times, but on the 3rd time, stone goes into this overdub, which goes... Pretty straightforward stuff. So we're at the 12th fret here. Down to the 8th fret. 5th fret. 10th fret. Like that. Then there's a breakdown with some chords from stone. And around again, right? Once he's done that breakdown, you'll hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And he's back into that. Into that stuff, right? But over that breakdown, might play something different. And this is where you've got a much more pronounced delay on if you care about that. So the first part goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You got some variants there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then some more rest, and then you get comes in at the end after I think 2 bars of rest, right? So you've got the tab there. I'm not going to bang on through that too much, but it's pretty cool. So then we go back into this part. Mike is playing the intro riff over that. And then you're going to go into this riff again 4 times this time. And then you end on this D minor chord, right? Mike does a little solo in the outro though. And that goes like this. 2, 3, 4. And then you got this. And you're done, right? So the first part's pretty straightforward. 20th fret on the B. Full step bend. Keep it held for the... Another one. And then... 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite tricky to get that. You probably want to, you know, hold your little finger under there if you can to nail that little bend. And that, folks, is it. You're done. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.